Hello from the Arlo Lab. My name is Anna and I am your virtual technical assistant. Today we will be going over the new Arlo AI detection features. In this video, we will cover person recognition. Make sure to check out our other videos to find out more about vehicle recognition, custom detection, and fire detection. Let's get started. Person recognition is a feature of the new Arlo Secure Plus plan. You can teach your Arlo devices who you know. As people are detected, Arlo will collect images of people that will be saved as unrecognized for you to identify later. You can preload existing photos of people taken with your mobile phone to jumpstart the person recognition algorithm before videos are recorded. Please note that person recognition cannot be enabled for the video doorbells and only one camera can have the feature enabled. Feel secure knowing quickly who is on your property, whether it be the delivery man, an intruder, or a family member coming home. To set up person recognition from the Arlo app, select the profile icon in the top left-hand corner. Next, choose your location under Locations and Plans, and afterwards tap on Person Recognition. Select Allow Access, and next we can manage the options for this feature. First, we have Connected Devices, where we can choose which camera will have the feature enabled. Next, we have Recognized, which will show you the people you have saved. In order to save someone to the Recognized section, tap on Unrecognized. If someone new is detected, a captured image from the camera will appear, and you can tap on it to name the person and save it to Recognized. If you would like to add someone who hasn't yet been captured by a camera, tap on Unrecognized and next on Select Photos or on the plus icon in the top right corner. Next, add a photo of the person from your gallery. To rename a recognized person, go into Recognized and tap on the person and next on the pencil icon next to the name. Here you will also have the option to remove a person from Recognized. Please note the AI features get more reliable with time as we teach them more using new images and new examples. It shouldn't be expected that a brand new setup will be 100% accurate immediately. Sometimes, if the AI is giving us false detections, all it needs is some time to improve. And that's it. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to check out our other videos to learn more about the Arlo app and AI features.